Har Har Mahadev. Today is Saturday and this is my small temple at IWCVT Meera Road, and I'll be talking about Bhairav. Lord Bhairav is the incarnation of Lord Shiva. Why he became Bhairav? Why Shiva became Bhairav also? Why he took that form? Once the Prajapati Brahma started talking about himself, saying that he is only the Lord who created everything. This offended Lord Shiva, and Bhairav came out of that anger and went to Brahma, and he amputated Brahma's fifth head, which he carries in his hands. From there he became Bhairav. Because Brahma is Brahmana, so Bhairav got that papa on him. He committed a sin by cutting Brahma's head. Then Lord Shiva asked Brahmahatya. Brahmahatya is the biggest sin in the Hindu Shastras, in our culture. So Brahmahatya started following Bhairava. But Shiva said, you can follow him wherever you want, but you cannot enter Kashi. That is my place. And because he has committed a sin, so he will never be able to stay at one place, and he will always be in the cremation ground. That will be his house. That's the reason Bhairava keep roaming. So Brahmahatya was following him. Everywhere, wherever he was going, he was not able to stay at one place. And cremations, he was roaming and roaming and roaming. One fine day, he reached Kashi. When he entered Kashi, Brahmahatya could not follow him as per the orders of Lord Shiva. She had to stay out of that place, and from then Bhairava was started getting a name which is called Kashi Kotwal. So he is at the gate of Kashi, the entrance of Kashi. He takes care of everything. He takes care of all the cremation grounds. He takes care of all the sadhus. He takes care of all the belongings of Kashi. And he punishes badly to the sinners. We have misconceptions about Bhairava, that those who are black magicians or who wants to do something wrong to the others take the help of Bhairava. Like Kali is also having misconceptions. About Kali we all have misconception that she is the goddess of black magicians, tantrikas, aghoris. But it is not that. She is the most coolest goddess. She takes care of children, women, helpless people. She is the form of anger. When a mother gets angry, that form is Kali. She also punishes. So Bhairava is also like that. We are carrying a lot of misconceptions about him as well. Actually, the truth is just the opposite of it. Truth is that he is the most humble God. He listens to your prayers at the earliest than anyone else can listen to your prayers. He gives you the results like this. Only thing is he doesn't like about disrespect. So if you have some work relating to code, legal matters, injustice, you can call upon Kal Bhairava. You don't need to, conduct elaborated rituals for him. He is happy with Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam. Means the meanest you can give, the littlest you can give it to him, and he will be happy with that. If you don't have anything, you can just pray. Just call and pray. But if you have something you want to offer, he loves fried fish and Madira, means the liquors. You can offer him whiskey. You can offer him horse gram with jaggery, which he loves. He loves the most, as I said, the fried fish, liquors, whiskey, and along with that, urad dal ka vada. So you can offer him all these things, and with love you can offer him white plain rice with curd. Whatever you offer him, he loves that. But only thing you have to remember that his favorite color is red and black, like Papa Legba. Like Papa Legba is gatekeeper, he is also a gatekeeper. His colors are also red and black. He also likes rum, whiskey and fried fish. He roams with the dogs like Papa Legba. He carries the keys for the other realms to open. He is also a mediator, the gatekeeper. So you can wear red clothes or black clothes when you are calling him for the help. You can offer him red and black clothes or red flowers, dhupam, deepam, because he loves that smoke. He loves the fire because he lives in cremation ground. And also you can offer him. Elson just reminded, oh by the way, I want to tell you, Elston have come after long, and that's why this video was possible. Because he used to do my videos and he disappeared for 2 months, and that's why I was not able to do any videos. Anyways, today he has come and I thought of doing this video. So he just reminded me of the cigarette, and cigars and chillam and beedi can also be offered to him. Pan, sweet pan, coconut, these things can be offered. The main things are the fried fish, urad dal ka vada, liquor, dahi chawal, chana, horse gram and jaggery, chana and gur. This he loves the most. Along with that, whatever you want to offer him, he will accept that. You should not offer him tulasi. Belpatra should be offered, can be offered with red flowers. Hibiscus, red kaner, the best, or red roses. One more thing he likes the most is fragrance, aroma, perfumes. So I am offering him champa perfume. You can offer him chameli oil mixed. You can mix chameli oil in the original sindoor, which is called the Kamiya sindoor. It is way heavy in the weight than the normal sindoor. So mix that sindoor with the chameli tel, and you can take any unshaved, uncut or unpolished stone and apply this paste of chameli oil. Chameli is called what else in English?
Jasmine.
Jasmine. Jasmine oil and the sindoor, and see, it takes this kind of color. It becomes like this. And then you can use this as a bhairav in your puja.
I had a question.
Yes.
How would you differentiate sindoor from Kamiya sindoor?
Kamiya sindoor is always heavy in weight, and the original, that is original sindoor. It is mixed with mercury. That's why it is heavy in weight, and you cannot mix it with water. It can only be mixed with oil or ghee. But to Kal Bhairava, to Bhairava, you cannot mix sindoor with ghee. When you are mixing sindoor with ghee, it is offered to Hanuman. And when you are mixing chameli tel with the sindoor, it is offered to Bhairava. So this is the difference you should keep in mind. Thanks for asking such a good question. It will help many.
You're welcome.
Yeah. So you can offer him fragrant flowers if you don't find them, but it should only be the red flowers. And perfumes. You can make chapatis, the rot, it is called rot. Thick rotis made of atta, flour. After that you can recite Om Bhairavaya Namaha, Om Bhairavaya Namaha, Om Bhairavaya Namaha. First you need to call your guru. Call your guru, whoever is your guru. Just pray to your guru first that you are going to call Bhairava, and you are worshipping Bhairava. So, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Then Ganpati, Guru and then Ganpati. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Guru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. So, then you can come to your Ishtadev whom you follow the most, and at the end you have to call Bhairav. And then start worshipping with all your love and affection. Call him and offer him whatever you can offer as I described, and do the japa Om Bhairavaya Namah, Om Bhairavaya Namah, Om Bhairavaya Namah. It will help you a lot. Wish you all the best, very best, and do this and come back to me. Namaste. Har Har Mahadev, Jai Mahakal.